Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is David Hyman, your tour guide in Israel. Today our tour is at the monastery and the church of Kursi by the Sea of Galilee. So join me for this wonderful tour, everyone. To get here, take Road 92 to the eastern side of Lake Kinneret. And just as you turn to Road 789, the entrance will be to your right. Kursi, east of the Sea of Galilee, is identified with Gergesa, or with the land of the Gadareans, where the miracle of the swine took place. Luke chapter 8, verse 26. Kursi is a national park, and therefore there is admission to 14 shekels for an adult. And these are the opening hours. These are the Golan Heights, the mountains. They're all nice and green. It's February, so the flowers are out. Let's take a closer look at this kalanit, anemone. Beauty, huh? One of the miracles of Jesus by the Sea of Galilee happens somewhere on the east side. Jesus and his disciples, they get on a boat and they sail from Capernaum to the east side of the lake, to the area inhabited by pagans, the land of the Decapolis. On the east side, Jesus encounters a man possessed with demons, and he asks to be healed. And Jesus rebukes the demons from this man and transmits them into a herd of swine. And the herd of swine roll down the hills into the lake, and the man is cured. That's the miracle that happens here. We're going to climb up this chapel, climb to this small chapel up on the hill, which would be the site commemorating the actual event. This was used as a small chapel during the Byzantine period. You can see the apse. Look how it's carved into the side of the mountain. There's still a little bit of mosaic floor remained here, but maybe the most stunning part of this is the view we can see of the Sea of Galilee. It's a little hazy. We're on the east side. Over there is Mount Arbel, Tiberias, Capernaum on the north. So when they sail to the other side, they sail here. After this place became holy because of the commemoration of the event of the miracle of the possessed man, a monastery was founded by Christian monks, and the name of the monastery is Kursi Gerasa, And what has been revealed in the excavations is a beautiful church dating back to the 4th or 5th century that has been restored and can be used for your group's celebration. So let's go take a closer look at the monastery of Kursi. An outdoor altar if you would like to have an outdoor event or celebration, mass or Eucharist. And look at the beautiful, amazing ruins of this Byzantine church. An ancient path leading from maybe a port, a harbor, that's where the lake is, and all the way to this main entrance into a large courtyard. This enormous floor here is actually a roof of a water cistern. The water cistern has 2 wells that you can reach into the water and fetch the water. And from here you enter the main sanctuary. Look how beautiful this is preserved. Mosaic floors all around, beautiful white marble columns, and the apse itself was built out of the black basalt rocks of the Golan Heights. There's an inscription in Greek. This is the baptistry. That would be the baptismal font. Let's see this side, the mosaic has like grapes. See the grapes? And here's some kind of fruit, maybe a citrus, all different types of fruits. These look like some like squash, vine leaves, and pears. The famous mosaic of these 2 birds facing each other and eating or drinking out of some kind of bucket. Yeah, there. Amazing, huh? Isn't this beautiful in here? Here's like a chalice, a basket with bread. This is the crypt. There's an entrance down to the crypt. Remains of about 20 men were found inside the crypt, and the sign in the apse was placed there in the year 2000 to commemorate the visit of Pope John Paul II to the Holy Land. this was so exciting to see a group celebrating Mass at the ancient Byzantine church and monastery at the site of Kursi, the site of the miracle of the swine. This is a Byzantine original Christian monastery that is supervised by the government of Israel, by the Nature and Parks Authority, which means that you can come here with your group, with your denomination, and feel comfortable. You don't need to ask permission from any patriarch or from a church or from the priest or from the Franciscans or from the Dominicans. You can do your own thing here as long as it is organized and arranged with the Parks Authority. So I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to get back on my motorcycle and drive back home. So I hope you all enjoyed this tour of Kursi, Gerasa. So if you did, please give me a big thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel and let me know where you'd like to go on our next tour of wonderful Israel. Bye everyone and take care.